Yes, I'm Roman, and today I will respond to Jamaican memes. Let's go. Jamaicans be on the phone like, me I beg you a thing for the Christmas. Okay, that's true. Some Jamaicans are like this. They're asking you for something for Christmas. Okay. Russ, me never know say you eat meat. You ever see a lion eat grass? So basically, this is saying like Ras meaning Rastafari and Rasta, this guy. I didn't know that you eat meat, and he's responding saying, have you ever seen a lion eat grass? Because in Jamaica, Rastafarians don't eat meat. They're vegetarians or more so vegans. Farid here. Nose. Teeth. Okay, mouth, neck, belly, nipple. It's been a long time since I've heard that one. And okay, true. And Miguel. Okay, and Miguel. Finger. Okay, cool. Nico. Wait, what's the right name for that? I think it's just knees. Your knees. Yeah. You feel alright? Yeah. Who then? Yeah. Yes, mommy. Okay, this is true. Jamaican parents don't allow us to call them by their first names or don't allow us to speak to them without saying yes, mommy, yes, daddy. Which I won't even say that. Jamaicans be like, go on, man, no space, baby, no space. That's true. I'd be terrified sometimes when I'm in a taxi and they'd be saying there's space when there's still no space. I'd be terrified, I swear. When a neighbor get barrel from a foreign. I remember this when my dad would send barrel and yeah, the neighbors would be them fast. How the world sees Jamaican during the Olympics and then during the rest of the year. People often think we're represented by Usain Bolt being super fast or like him. And then when they see you outside of the Olympic season or period, they'll ask, where are your locks? Are you Rastafarian or do you smoke? Or it's just basic questions. Some of them are stupid, some not so stupid. Can't the Jamaicans nowhere? Okay, this is actually quite good. I like when Jamaicans represent. So this for me is okay. Growing up Jamaican, you can never do anything without hearing the phrase, you think about a book for a morning? Ah, yeah, that's true. Yeah, my mom would always say this, like, what we're doing, it's almost like when Jamaican parents see you having fun. They're bothered, they're troubled. And so they'd ask if you've taken a book from morning, as in, if you've studied from morning. I think we'll stop here. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're Jamaican, let me know which meme is your favorite. And if you have any Jamaican memes, share them and I'll react to them. So with that said, thank you guys and I'll see you next time. Ciao.